how to select all entries from a table. In our previous SQL tutorial, we learned how to insert rows into a table. We inserted 4 rows into the customers table. Suppose our requirement is this: fetch all the columns from the customers table across all the rows. There is no filtering, we simply want to display everything stored in the customers table. To fetch the data, we use the select keyword. Next, we need to specify which columns we want to fetch. Since we want all the columns, we use the asterisk symbol. The asterisk symbol represents all columns. Then we use the from keyword followed by the table name, and our table name is customers. We do not have any filtering condition here for the rows because we need all the rows, so we end the query, and this is our complete SQL statement. It means select all columns from the customers table. Let us run the statement. There is our result. We can see all 7 columns and we can see all 4 rows from the customers table. So the general structure of a select statement is this. We start with the select keyword, then we specify the columns we want to fetch. After that, we use the from keyword followed by the table name. When we want all the columns, we can use the asterisk symbol. So the idea is simple. Select is used to fetch data. The asterisk means all columns, and because we did not specify any filtering condition, all the rows are returned. In this tutorial, we learn how to fetch all columns and all rows from a table. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to fetch only specific columns from the table.